Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all stay happy and healthy. Here I will discuss strategies for structured section interview test, especially skill 7 and 8. But before getting into the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Novia Herdiani. You can call me Via. I am from Nursing Diploma 3 Aisyah University, Bandung. Okay, let's just get into the discussion of strategies for structured section interval test. The first is skill 7. Skill 7 is a noun class connector. Included in the noun class connector are what, when, where, why, how, whether, if, and that. If there is such a connector, then it is located in the middle between the two clauses. We can see the form of the sentence here. There is the first clause, which consists of a subject and a verb, followed by a noun clause connector and followed by a second clause, which also consists of a subject and a verb. For example, Sally explained why she did it. Sally is the subject, explained is a verb, why is connector, she is the subject, did is a verb. Okay, next. Then let's try to answer the practice question for skill 7. Number 1. The citizens worry about blah 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 is doing. What is the answer? The answer is A. What the government. Why? Because we can see the citizens are the subject, worry about is a verb, is doing verb. So we need connector and subject. In answer A, what is the connector? The government is the subject. Why not choose answer B? Because answer B only has a subject. Why not choose answer C? Because answer C only has a connector. Why not choose answer D? Because answer D has a verb, so it can be a double verb. Okay, next number 2. No single factor explains why blah 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 varies so greatly among individuals. What is the answer? The answer is B. The effect of aging. Why? Because we can see no single factor is subject. Explains is a verb. Why is connector. Varies so greatly among individual is verb. So we just need the subject. Why not choose answer A? Because effect in the answer A is verb. So why not choose answer C? Because answer C there is a verb. And why not choose answer D? Because in answer D there is the word effect, which should be effects. Okay, skill 7 finish. Then we go to skill 8. Next, skill 8 is noun clause connector and subject, which are included in the noun clause connector and subject are who, what, and which. So the connector here also acts as a subject, so that after the connector we don't need the subject anymore, because the subject is already included in the connector. We can see the form of the sentence here. There is a subject and a verb, followed by a connector which is also the subject and followed by a verb. For example, Al told me what happened. Al is the subject, told me is a verb, what is connector and subject, happen is a verb. Okay, next. Then let's try to answer the practice question for skill 8. Number 1. The company was prepared for blah 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 happen with the economy. What is the answer? The answer is C. What? Why? Because we can see the company is the subject, was prepared for is a verb, happen with the economy is a verb. So we just need the connector subject. Okay, next number 2. Tests on the colors of cars were conducted at the University of California to determine blah 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 the safest color for cars. What is the answer? The answer is B. Which were? Why? Because we can see tests on the colors of cars is a subject. Were conducted is a verb. At the University of California to determine is an adverb. And the safest color for cars in an adverb. So we need connector, subject, and verb. In answer B, which is the connector and subject, and where is the verb? Okay, Alhamdulillah, the discussion of skill 7 and skill 8 has been complete. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Thank you. See you later guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.